Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, and spoilers. Today I have for you my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of January. We're going to be unboxing it and giving away one of the items to one of you. Don't even know which one yet. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of January, it is the Glam Light Chocolate Martini Palette. It is so fun. You could do a lot with this one. Some colorful, some everyday. It's super cute. So look in the description box down below under current giveaways. It'll take you to the video. It talks about how to enter that. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel. Watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. Now, I don't normally announce these in advance, but hint, what I have on my eyes today is the Natasha Denona Retro Palette. Looks like this. This one is mine. We're giving away a brand new one for you in the month of February. So Ipsy is beauty, makeup, skincare. The Glam bag is $14 a month. Most of the time it's deluxe size samples. Every once in a while they will throw in a full size item in there, and there's always a makeup bag item in there as well. I do have a code for Ipsy if you're interested in checking them out. I'll leave that in the description box down below. It's just there for your convenience. It'll save you some money and it helps me out on any future add-ons that I want to do. And guys, their add-ons are really good. Like I got that other Natasha Denona palette for you guys from their add-on sale. So I'm just saying they're really, really good. So let's dive in, find out what's in here. If you see me looking down, my notes are on my phone. I do like the kind of like ombre thing they got going on instead of the total pink from before. So here's the bag. Kind of a sequin purple bag. It is a pink on the inside with the little Ipsy pull tab. So what Ipsy says about this is featuring a new unique velvet fabric embroidered with iridescent sequins. This month's Glam bag is here to help you soft launch 2024 thanks to its beautiful design by Joanne Wong. Plus the purple pouch is packed with all the beauty you need to relax, recharge, and take on anything. The first item in here is from Kate Somerville. It's an exfoliate intensive exfoliating treatment. This is a deluxe mini. Want glowier, more youthful looking skin? It's easy with help from this exfoliating treatment. It helps remove dead skin cells from the surface of your skin to help remove skin texture, refine pores, and reduce the lines of wrinkles. I need that. From Lace Beauty's lip liner in City Lights. Not quite sure what I'm going to do with it. It's completely sealed, so I don't want to unseal this one yet. It does retail for $18. It is a lip liner. Creating the perfect palette has never been easier. This retractable lip liner, I love that it's retractable. Boosts a highly pigmented medium pink color and an easy to use twist up pencil. It also delivers 8 to 12 hours of wear, which means you don't have to worry about constantly touching up your lip. Hallelujah. So I tried before a Lucky Chick, like a liquid eyeshadow from them before, but I haven't tried any of their palettes. So this is the Daydream eyeshadow palette. Retails for $20. It's the eyeshadow palette of your dreams has arrived. This 9-pan collection features a range of shades and finishes, from neutrals to stunning metallic toppers, formulated with ingredients like vitamin E, jojoba seed oil, and shea butter. Each shade is ridiculously creamy and easy to blend. So it looks like this on the inside. So pretty. I could have totally used this when I was down in Mexico 2 weeks ago. from Toy Factory is an Ultra Set Niacinamide Setting Powder in Translucent. It's obviously a deluxe mini. Meet Ultra Set, your new bestie for flawless airbrush skin, formulated with niacinamide and packed with B3 vitamins. This anti-caking setting powder helps lock in your makeup and visibly reduce the look of pores while leaving your skin feeling silky soft. It's another one that's sealed. I'm not quite sure what I'm doing with this one yet either. Obviously, you can see the pictures. And from Verify, I love that they are a clean beauty brand. It's their 2020 eye cream. It's a deluxe mini. This do-it-all eye cream uses a cocktail of hydrating, firming, and brightening ingredients like niacinamide and peptides to help minimize dark circles. Why can I not say circles? To help minimize dark circles, soften lines, and smooth rough texture. I do love the Verify skincare. I think they are amazing. Secret word of the day is Ipsy. So I do love that, we did get 2 full-size items in here. I was kind of disappointed last month when because they upped the price to put in more full-size items, and last month there weren't any. So I am glad that there are more this month. What was my favorite item in here? I mean, probably the Kate Somerville Exfoliating, and that Lucky Check eyeshadow palette. Those are my 2 favorites. What was your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. I have a ton of setting powders. Let's give away that Toy Factory. This would be perfect if you're like going on vacation and want to throw a little setting powder in your bag. Speaking of which, coming up, I'm going to film a what did I take with me on vacation, so you can see that. But this would be perfect for one of you guys. In the description box down below is a Google form. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once, and make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel, and that secret word. Now, you can get bonus entries, and how the bonus entries work is you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entries. You can do 1, you can do 2, you can do 4, whatever. You can do none. It doesn't matter. But only mark if you did actually do them, because I do check and you don't want to be disqualified. So your first ways, if you follow me on Instagram, that's BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second ways, if you follow me on X, formerly Twitter, that's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third ways, if you follow me on TikTok, it's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share this with your family, friends on your social media accounts. I want you guys to know how much I appreciate when you guys do that. It means absolute world to me. And make sure to tag me on those if you post them on social media, so that way I can see it too, because it just brightens my day when I see that. YouTube was no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older, or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have the giveaway go through February 2nd, midnight Mountain Standard Time. Then on February 7th, what I'll do is I'll take the first name, first initial of their last names, and off the bonus entries, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, put those in the computer. The computer spins it all around. On the 7th, we all see it. And then since the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. So let me know how you guys are doing in the comments down below. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and good luck in the giveaway. I'll see you soon. Bye. Woo!